Congrats on becoming the proud owner of the Limerick PJ's Comfort, the FDA's highest safety-rated, hospital-grade breast pump, and the only one with a compression and vacuum action that simulates your baby's natural nursing pattern. To begin putting it together, you'll need to connect your 2 bottle holders to both sides of the pump. Now, insert the filter. For this next part, you'll want to have sanitized your soft touch breast cup assembly and bottles. To learn more about that, watch the daily sanitizing video. Pick up the bottle seals, called gaskets. Feel for the ridge at the outer edge. You want the ridge side facing you and the flat side lying against the bottle cap. Insert the gasket, then run your finger around it while gently pushing down. Now, attach the bottles to the breast cup assembly. Check to make sure that the gaskets are lying flat in the top of both bottles. Once that's done, place both in the bottle holders. Now, attach the tube connector to the male end of the bottle cap. Plug one end of the AC charger into an outlet and the other into the back of your breast pump. Next, press down on the cycle speed button to turn on your pump. You'll hear a muted flutter sound as lights 1 through 20 light up. Now, hold the soft touch breast cups together. Initially, the cups will pulsate, then collapse and inflate as you increase the vacuum. Remember, always press the cups together before use, just to be sure everything's working fine. Questions? We're here for you.